Hey guys, if you're looking to learn how to code and you're looking to get into the tech industry, I want you to watch this video. If you're not interested in this, I will say just skip it. Listen guys, I want to tell you guys about a very good special that we have going on right now on CodingPhase.com. It's literally 50% off. Now you're probably wondering what exactly is CodingPhase.com. So CodingPhase.com is a website where we teach you everything that you need to know to get a job as a developer. Okay, right now if you guys look around and you look on websites like Indeed.com, Glassdoor.com, you will see the highest paying jobs are in technology. Okay, now I can teach you that. I can help you guys out to learn how to do this at home. Okay, right now we have a 50% off. We have over 80 courses on the website, and you could get access to every single course that you need to get the job. And not only that, we're also teaching you guys how to make money on your own. Okay, so it's not just, hey, this is how you do it to get a job, but also too how to use the same skills to either freelance or create your own applications and make income from that. Okay, now you're probably wondering, I mean, who is this guy? I'm just a regular guy just like you guys. Okay, I used to work on warehouses, I used to work in parking lots, I used to work in supermarkets, like literally, you know, just regular blue-collar jobs, you know, the same thing that everybody starts off with. And lucky for me, I found technology, I found programming, and I figured out that that's the way to go. Okay, as you guys can see, a lot of people work remotely, and that's because they have the skills to be able to work from home. If you don't have this type of skills, you're not going to be able to work at home, guys. One thing that you're going to hear from everybody that has taken my courses is that I break it down to a way where it's real simple for people to learn at home. Okay, and the reason why I can do that is because I did it myself, and I know exactly the type of problems that you're gonna face and the type of things that you're gonna see that might look difficult, but all you need is the right instructor to break it down for you guys. Okay, like I said guys, you know, I'm just a regular dude, man. You know, I started from the bottom. I'm an immigrant. Okay, literally, you know, I built myself up. I learned these skills. I was able to buy a house over 3,400 square feet, $100,000 car. I take care of my family. I take care of my mom's side. I take care of my dad's side. I take care of about 3 different homes, and I do that on my own. Okay, now only reason I'm sharing all of these things with you is just to open your mind to what's the possibilities. I'm not gonna sell you a dream and tell you, hey, this is how you get rich, this is how you become a millionaire. I myself, I'm not rich, I'm not a millionaire, but what I do have is a very comfortable lifestyle where I basically work for myself, and at the same time I make my own income. Those are the things that I can teach you, and if you're interested in that, you should definitely check out CodingPhase.com, because that's what we do there. Okay, take advantage. It's 50% off. Click on the link below or click on the link on this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Take care. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the community.